Hi, this is Samantha here from RecipeThis.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. I'm here to show you just how easy it is to make pita chips from your leftover air fryer flatbread. I made some air fryer flatbreads earlier and they're just brilliant for reusing and turning into little chips. You don't need a lot of them. I've just got 2 here. But they're so nice reheated in the air fryer. And then of course absolutely perfect if you've got some dip that you can serve with them. You know, and they just go back in there and they're just lovely. In our new cookbook, Air Fryer Easy Every Day, we've got a beautiful Greek platter that is just perfect for date night or girly night in. And you know, it's got some lovely ones of these along with other Greek favourites, and they're just so nice. So you just chop them up into strips or into slices or into cubes, whatever you prefer. And then get out your air fryer. I'm going for spreading them out here because otherwise they don't get as crispy. Have a look at that, don't they look fantastic? And you can spray it with some olive oil if you want to, or you can just leave it without. It's totally up to you. Then turn on your air fryer. And I'm going with match because we've got the same ingredients in both sides. And then air fry, 200 Celsius, 400 Fahrenheit. And then take it down to 3 minutes. And then press start. Did you know that we have a free air fryer mini course? It runs for 5 days, is delivered by email, covers 5 important air fryer beginner topics and includes a free PDF and free recipes. Simply head over to RecipeThis.com and search mini course for full details. And we're on our cool downs, so shall we see what they look like? Oh wow, they've crisped up lovely. If you listen there, you can hear the crisp on them. Oh wow, look at that. And the smaller they are, the better they are. Like, ooh, a bit hot for me, but that is brilliant. Oh, just look at that, isn't that lovely? Oh, they're just perfect for dipping things into. You know, if you've not done the pita chips yet in the air fryer, then you absolutely must. Have you checked out Air Fryer Easy Every Day yet? It's our brand new air fryer cookbook, following on from the success of the complete air fryer cookbook. It has over 140 everyday air fryer recipes for you to follow along with at home in your air fryer. Perfect for different types of air fryers too, as it covers the air fryer oven, basket and dual air fryers, as well as some fun recipes if you're cooking for one. So what are you waiting for? Go and order yourself a copy now and you will not be disappointed. It's from 12 years of air frying. And thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to follow us on Pinterest, Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and of course you can also find us on TikTok. But best of all, head over to RecipeThis.com/newsletter to join our weekly newsletter. And I'm Sam, and thanks again for watching.